Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to zoom in your videos using Lightworks. So here I have the video added to project contents in Lightworks. I'm going to add this video now to video track 1, hit play, and show you how it looks with no zoom effect. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is apply zoom effect to zoom in on this car and then zoom back out. Okay, so first we have to move the playhead to the start of this video, then navigate to effects, and in the search box here I'm going to type in zoom and find this effect here, zoom, select it, click apply, and now we have applied zoom effect to our video. So here on the right hand side I can see effect settings for zoom, and next what we have to do is find zoom, activate keyframes, position X, activate keyframes, and lastly position Y, also activate keyframes. Now the reason we activate keyframes for zoom is because I'm going to zoom in on this car, and for position X and Y is because we have a moving object and we need to make sure that we reposition the screen so that we always have the view of this car. Let me show you how. So now I'm gonna open keyframes here, play this video, and as you can see this is the timeline. So I'm gonna stop here, and let's say at this point in time I want to start zooming on this car. So I'm gonna add the keyframe for zoom, add a keyframe for position X, and also a keyframe for position Y. I'm gonna play the video again just for a few seconds, then add keyframes here as well. Okay, now I'm going to navigate back to settings. So what's going to happen is the video is going to start from original keyframe to this point with the normal settings, and then from this middle point up until this point it's going to zoom in. Let's see how it works. Let's go back now to effects, settings. Let's move the slider so that we zoom in on the car. I'm gonna left click on this window and reposition it so that I have visibility of this car like this. Okay, something like this. Now I'm gonna zoom in just a little more. Okay, so I have the car now in the middle of the screen. Now I'm gonna hit play again. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here. Now the car is about to move outside the window, so it's definitely not in the middle of the screen. So I'm gonna left click here and just reposition this box so that the car sits in the middle again. Hit play. Reposition just a bit again. Play. I'm gonna stop here, and now what I'm gonna do is return position X and Y to default values. So default was 0.5, 0.5 here as well, and the zoom, I'm just going to move the slider back to where it was. Now I'm going to move this playhead to the start of time, hit play. So this is how it starts, then it zooms in. Okay, continues like that, and then zooms back out again. Now if I move the playhead to the start, open keyframes, and this is where you can also visualize what's happening on a keyframe level. So from this point to this point, the video continues with normal zoom levels, and then from this second keyframe, it's going to go up and zoom in. And the reason we have position X and Y is because the object in this video, the car, is moving, so we have to continuously adjust the position as well. Otherwise it's going to go outside the screen and it's not going to be ideal. So let's play and see. Okay, this is where it starts zooming, then it stays at the same level. The only reason that changes here is position X and Y, because again I was adjusting the box manually to ensure the car is always in the middle of the screen. And then from this point here it's going to zoom back out. Okay, and that's it, guys. This is how you apply zoom effect to moving objects with Lightworks. And I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and See you in the next tutorial.